Okay folks, so this is just a very quick video. This is the fourth shelf garage cabinet. It's made of plastic and it comes in a box from Walmart, and you assemble it at home and you get up to 30 pounds capacity per shelf when evenly distributed. So let's assemble it up real quick. So this is how it looks when you open it up. Okay, so now that it's out, it actually looks a lot simpler. So these are parts A. You get 2 A's, you get 2 B's, you get 4 C's, 4 D's, and 4 E's. And they're labeled right there. E. This is D. This is C. This should be B, and this is A. So let's just follow the instructions and set it up, and you do get these extra things, but I guess it's not that hard. So you put A on the bottom and then a B on the side. This is A. That's B. Step 2, add C and C to the sides. Okay, so this is C. Now let's do the other C. There you go. Okay, so here is J. We're going to put him like that. Like that. And like that. Now let's look for K. Here are K's. So they will go over here like that. Oh, they're not ambidextrous. So they go over here. And the other K goes over here. Now you just push until it clicks. There you go. Okay, so now we need a B to go back here and 2 C's to go on the sides. So let's go get them. Here's our remaining B. And here are the 2 remaining C's. Okay, so here is the B that goes on the back, like that, and like that. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, so there it is. So now I just push. So it clicks in place. And now let's do the, this is I believe C. Yes, it's C. So it should go like that until it clicks. And then the other C is going to go on the other side right here. Okay, so now let's push the both. This is C and this is C. And now let's just push down so they click. Well, they didn't click, but they were supposed to click. Just push down. They were supposed to click. Well, anyway, let's carry on. Okay, so it's time to make the doors. So we're going to look for D. We get 4 Ds. They're the door panels. And we're going to use L for the left door. So let's start. Let's go get the D. 2 of them. So these are Ds. So we need 2 of them. And let's make our first door. Okay, so this is D, L, and D. This is what L looks like. So I'm going to do it off camera because I can't do it with just one hand. Okay, so now they're connected. So now we just got to push them into place. And I'm going to have to do that off camera too. Okay, so now let's do the other door. D, M, D. D, M, D. This is M. So let's connect it. I'm going to do that off camera. And there you have it. Okay, this is the left door. And this is H. And it goes on the bottom like that. And that's I. Goes on the top. So you have to insert it like that. All the way. And you do the same for the top. Okay, here we go. So you just put it like that. And you insert it all the way. Okay, and for the right door, H, the H is at the top of the door and the I is at the bottom. So this is I, this is the right door, and that's H. So let's insert it. There you go. Now let's do the top. Okay. Okay, this is N. So N goes down here. So that's N. Okay, so one of the last steps is to put on the very top, you're going to put A. So you get 2 A's, remember, the bottom A and the top A. So they're identical. You can see that this broke already during shipping. But that was not my fault. It already came like that. But it won't affect operation. So anyway, put it up here, but do not press yet because you have to put the doors first. If you do it wrong, you're going to have a hard time pulling this out again. Okay, so now press N. This is another N. N number 2, it goes over here. So I'm going to do that off camera. Okay, so now it's just a matter of aligning this to that hole right there. And the bottom hole goes to that pin. So I'm going to do that off camera because I can't hold the camera at the same time, but all you do is align the pins to the holes on the top and the bottom. Okay, so I've done the alignment on the bottom and the top, but the top, since I haven't pressed this yet, it doesn't go in yet because I have to do the other door before I finish. So let's do the other door. I'll do it off camera. Okay, so I installed the second door. So now I just have to push down and make sure that everything aligns. Because once it goes in, it's very hard to get out. Everything has to align and the door has to go like that. Same thing over here. We're almost there. Okay, so let's press over here. You can hear it click over here. Okay, so that's ready. Okay, so the doors are aligned. Kind of looks like a portable toilet. Everything's aligned. Nothing should be sticking out. So here's door number 1. But we're not done yet. Because now we have to put the shelves. You have these slots where the shelves are going to go. So let's go get the shelves. That should be the last item that you have. And you do get, I believe, 4 of them. And they're curving, so when you put weight on them, they'll be able to hold that weight. Let me do that off camera. Okay folks, so this is it. I was not able to show you how to install the shelves because it's impossible with just 2 hands. It was fairly difficult, but it's doable. So anyway, they do curve so that when you place something on there, they'll flatten out. And then you can put the shelves anywhere you want. I put them like that randomly, I don't really care. But if you wanted to put this shelf all the way to the top, you can. You have this thing right here. Those 2 things, so you can put this shelf all the way to the top, so you make the top little. And the second one, you make it longer. Ooh, I'm out of breath. And if you look at the bottom, right here, this is the door handle. So if you look at the bottom, you're going to see that hole right there. There's 2 holes. Right there, right there. So you can put a padlock if you want, some sort of locking system. It's up to you. Okay folks, so here is the final result. It is now in my bedroom. So I put a few things in there just for demonstration. A lot of trash. It's nice and sturdy. And I did have to cut away that, you can see all this debris right here. I cut away that tab, those locking tabs that went in there. I had to get rid of that because it wasn't helping. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.